guys, I have had such a busy week and I have been a terrible vlogger. Part of that reason is because my camera is acting up. Right now it's going okay, but a lot of the times when I film some clips and like the lighting changes, the lens freaks out, the camera shuts off. It's just been awful. So to be honest, I kind of just slacked at vlogging this week. As you guys know, I moved into my new apartment. I'm in my new apartment right now and it's amazing. It's exactly what I picture myself being at this point in my life. I'm so excited to bring you guys some decor hauls as well as a house or apartment tour. I've never done one of those before, so that is all coming to you. Maybe some organizational videos, because to be honest, the way that my place was organized prior to this new place is not gonna work out here. So I need to kind of redesign how I'm gonna store like my skincare and my makeup and just all of my essentials. So I'm figuring that out, but I kind of just want to insert some random B-roll. I worked last week. I had a photo shoot, so I have some clips of that. I made some yummy food as always, so of course I want to include that as well. I just got back from brunch with my aunt and my uncle, my mom, my cousin came. It was just a bunch of us and we enjoyed ourselves. I'm heading to a photo shoot right now. It is at the Leica store. Leica, I'm really not sure how to pronounce it. It's a brand of a camera. We're gonna test out some new cameras and try out their lenses for prospective buyers. So I am ready to have a quick little photo shoot. It's actually very quick, it's 2 hours. And then I gotta go home and continue packing and get ready for the move.
Drop down your guns, wrap your arm round, cradle my chest. Paper love, plastic smile, lay down to rest. Dream a little bit more than you sleep, talk a little less than you think. I see you're the noble one.
I got home from work and my new pre-order of Cara Alwill Leiba's book, Like She Owned the Place, came in. The description says, give yourself the gift of confidence and ignite your inner magic. And it's so sweet. She wrote a little card for me. Taylor, thanks for the support. I have read her Girl Code book. I ordered it off Amazon. I had some people recommend it to me. And I felt the need to message her and just tell her how much I really identified with her message. So she was so kind enough to send me this little gift and I'm so excited to read this book. I'm gonna finish up with Crushing It and then I'm gonna head on to this one. Also came with some pins, upgrade. She actually has a hat that says this and I kind of want to get it. Obviously the feminine symbol, her champagne, because her Instagram is at the Champagne Diet. Definitely go follow her. She always posts inspirational messages and kind of just how to live your best life. And there's coffee as well. So her book is on sale on the 10th. And she also has a podcast, which is one of my favorites. She's been getting me into podcasts. So I just really like her as a person. I think she is the definition of a girl boss. Stop it. No. Our house is a mess, ignore it, we're moving. So these are some cards that came with it. I definitely wanna share these messages. You have the power to reprogram your mind to make it work for you rather than against you. I know some of you guys maybe need these messages right now. So building confidence means writing a new story for yourself. Leaning into your truth requires patience. Give yourself the space to evolve. As long as you're moving, you're on the right track. View rejection. Stop it! Interrupting me. View rejection as redirection. A plot twist doesn't close the book on your dreams. And I think this one's my favorite, and I think I'm gonna add this to my desk when I move into my new place and kind of set up my work spot. You have the ability to step into your power and recreate your reality, no matter how out of reach it may feel. So again, Cara, thank you so much for giving me kind of the message we all need to hear. I really, really look up to you as an individual, as an author, as a girl boss, and I'm really happy I stumbled upon your social media because you are definitely changing lives, and one of those being mine. Thanks, girl. Got some homemade poke bowls going on. Edamame, tuna, cucumber, which Carly marinated with some soy sauce. We got a kale blend, and then underneath is brown rice. Compliments to Chef Carly. Carly's moving hack. If you live in like an apartment or something that, I hate to say it, isn't yours and you don't really care about all that much, you can use a bar of soap to spackle in any holes. So as you can see, we had our mirror wall And this is our pro mover. She's also removed the nails from the wall. This girl does it all. So get you a roommate that is capable, unlike me.
Pretend to be someone you're not. I see you on the social world, beat so loud, can't hear what they say. Wave, smile, and chat for a while. Dance, laugh, post it online. Realize you lost your own spark. Too late, it's well after dark. Hope you find what you can't hide. Hope you flow out with the time.
My aunt and uncle are actually in town because tomorrow is my grandma's service. We're gonna bury her and my papa together. They're actually going to be buried in the National Cemetery, which is where my dad and my grandpa are as well. So now on holidays, I will be visiting 4 of my family members at that cemetery, which is nice because they're not all spread out, in the sense that I could go to one place, pay my respects to, you know, my loved ones that I so dearly miss. But that's why I'm gonna end this vlog on a Sunday, is because tomorrow is gonna be a really, really, really hard day for me. Probably one of the hardest things I'm ever gonna have to experience. I just want to end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mishmash of clips. I know it was kind of all over the place, but I also leave for San Francisco this week. So now that my camera's kind of acting okay right now, I'm gonna bring it. I'm gonna try and get a really nice vlog for you guys. I'm gonna go visit Lacey, and Brittany's there right now. So it's going to be such a fun experience. So of course I want to bring to you all of that vlog, you know, travel diaries footage. But please let me know what you thought of this mishmash. I know it's a short video, and I know you guys prefer the longer vlogs. I'm definitely going to continue, you know, increasing the length of the videos because I really got a lot of positive feedback about the longer videos. So those are going to be coming at you. This week was just so hectic for me, and I hope you understand. So until my next video, which will be a San Francisco video, I will see you then. And because I'm going to be in San Francisco, I'm sorry, I'm not going to have another Thursday upload. These 2 past weeks have just been so inconsistent for me. Again, life happens, it's okay, you just gotta roll with the punches. Just know that my upload schedule will be back to normal, and you guys will see my face quite frequently, twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So tune in then for new videos. Make sure you hit the bell button, subscribe to my channel, and show me love down below. Until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.